Let's go old school. Hi there, I'm Mark Scott. Thanks for checking out another voiceover tip. If you never want to miss one of these tips again, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll always get notified whenever a new tip is getting posted. And also watch out for Free Advice Friday. Every so often on a Friday afternoon, I jump on YouTube live and answer your voiceover questions for free. So when you're subscribed to the channel, you'll always get notified when that happens as well. So at the time that I'm recording this video, we're going through a very interesting day in Canada. We have been without television, internet, and cellular service. Looking at the clock right now, I would say going on probably 12 or 13 hours at this point across the country. Maybe you've heard about it, maybe you haven't. But one of the major service providers, and we really only have two major service providers in the entire country, one of those major service providers, their network is down across the country. So again, no cell phone, no internet, no TV. It's kind of like living in the dark ages, which got me to thinking, what can you do as a voice actor if you really want to spend some time marketing your business, but you have no cellular service and you have no internet? You're not going to be doing marketing on social media. You're not going to be sending out any emails. You're not going to be doing any cold calling. So what can you do? And that got me thinking about some postcards that I had stuffed away in a drawer somewhere. Once upon a time, I went out and got branded postcards made. And here's another tip, by the way. Get these done at the local printer. Because do you know who the local printer knows? Every other business in town. Yeah, you could go to an online service and you could get them done. And you might even save a little bit of money, but you're not going to get any referrals out of it. By going to my local printer, I got referrals, by the way, referrals that paid for the price of the postcards. But that's another story for another day. Bottom line, I had some of these postcards sitting in a drawer and I thought, you know what? It's as good a day as any to write some thank you notes. And so that's what I was going to do. Sat down at my desk, started writing some old school handwritten thank you notes. I think today in the world of digital marketing and connectivity, we're constantly thinking about the next email, the next video, the next tweet, the next Facebook post, the next TikTok, the next reel, whatever it is that you're doing. We're always thinking digital, 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 digital. But it's getting harder to stand out in the digital space because obviously that's where everybody is going. But think about your mailbox, not your inbox, your mailbox. When is the last time you got a legit handwritten piece of mail in your mailbox? Now, if you want to stand out, that is a way to do it. I can tell you that I have had great success doing this in the past, and it's something that I'm looking forward to doing again because, hey, what else am I going to do today? So there's a pro tip for you. If you want to find a way to get outside of the inbox and try to get noticed, I think there's still something to be said for a handwritten thank you card. Now, there's a couple ways that you can do this. I wouldn't be doing this to cold leads because I don't think it's going to be as effective going to cold leads. But if there's a client you've recently worked with and you want to say thanks for working on that project or thanks for giving me the opportunity, perfect time to send a handwritten thank you card and put it in the mail. If there is a client that you haven't worked with in a while and you just want to bring yourself top of mind with again, how about a card? Some kind of a thank you card. Looking forward to working with you. Hope you're having a great summer. Hope you had a great vacation. Whatever it is, some sort of handwritten note that you can put in the mail. Is there a prospect that you've had some conversations with, but you haven't been able to quite convert them over to client yet? Maybe this is a really good opportunity to show that you care, to show that you're paying attention, to bring yourself top of mind, and to stand out in a really unique way. While everybody else is getting into their email inbox, you are going to get into their postal mailbox. So there you go. Well, we're living in the dark ages today here in Canada. The marketing still continues with handwritten postcards because I think they can be a really great way to stand out, and I think they can be really effective. Thank you.